The anterior lobe, and the reason why that is so, the posterior lobe does not have many cells there. There aren't many cells in the posterior lobe. What you find there, however, are a number of non-myelinated nerve fibers. Non-myelinated nerve fibers. These non-myelinated nerve fibers that are occupying this posterior lobe have their cell bodies located in a different place. In the what? Hypothalamus. Now, I think it's instructive for you to know where in the hypothalamus are these nuclei. So you need to know. Is it in the supraoptic nucleus, paraventricular, whatever, you need to know these things. Alright? And you need to know that the posterior lobe does not produce any substance whatsoever. Maybe one and two arbitrary thing that we're not interested in. So that oxytocin and vasopressin that resemble each other so well chemically is produced all the way up there in the hypothalamus. And then now they get trickled down and released, stored in the posterior lobe. And when they are required now, the posterior lobe releases them. But they aren't then produced by the posterior lobe. In addition to the non-myelinated nerve fibers in this posterior lobe, as I said before, you find all of the capillaries being endocrine. But the few cells located there are called pituicytes. Pituicytes, which are some strange looking glial cells. Nobody's interested in. And then finally, although you will not see it on this slide, you may want to know, because they may ask in the MCQs, the so-called herring bodies that are located in the posterior lobe. These are actually the secretory granules that are stored there, that are referred to as herring bodies.